Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. Before you replace the left lower oven door hinge in your double oven electric range, be sure to shut off the power supply to the outlet or junction box. You will need to pull the range away from the wall. Then lift up the front of the appliance and support it in the center. Now unthread the two lower screws, securing the door retaining brackets to the frame. Open the door and unthread the upper screws securing the brackets. Rotate the hinge locks back. Loosen the brackets and use tape to help secure them to the door. Now partially close the door, then lift and pull the door toward you to remove. After setting the door on a sturdy surface, remove the retaining brackets. Use a Phillips head screwdriver to unthread the 3 screws on the bottom, securing the inner and outer door assemblies. Next, unthread the 2 upper corner screws. With the screws unthreaded, you can lift off the inner door assembly. You can now unthread the 2 mounting screws, securing the hinge. With the screws unthreaded, pull the old hinge free. Install the new door hinge by aligning it in the inner door liner. Then secure it with the mounting screws. Join the inner and outer door assemblies together. Replace the 2 upper corner screws and the 3 screws on the bottom. With the edges facing outward, realign the 2 door retaining brackets past the notch in the hinge. Use tape to hold them in place. Reinstall the oven door by inserting the door hinges into the hinge slots at a 45-degree angle. Reposition the retaining brackets and rotate the hinge locks forward. Rethread the upper screws to secure the brackets. Close the door and thread the 2 lower screws to fully secure the retaining brackets. Remove the support and lower the appliance. Restore power to the outlet or junction box, and the electric range should be ready for use.